Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Apple Watch with a Jio SIM. First, confirm your Apple Watch is a cellular model, as this is essential for independent connectivity. Next, verify your iPhone has an active Jio number and a suitable plan. It is also crucial to update both your iPhone and Apple Watch to their most recent software versions. Finally, make sure the My Jio application is installed on your paired iPhone before proceeding. To activate your Jio cellular plan, begin by opening the Apple Watch application on your iPhone. From there, tap on the My Watch tab located at the bottom of the screen, then select Cellular. You will then see an option to set up cellular. Tap this and choose Jio from the available network providers. Carefully follow the simple on-screen prompts to finalize the activation process for your watch. Once you have completed the activation steps, it is important to verify your connection. Look for a green signal icon on your Apple Watch, which confirms a successful cellular link. To further test, try making a quick call or sending a message directly from your watch without your iPhone nearby. Always ensure your current Jio plan includes support for Apple Watch cellular services for full functionality. If you encounter any issues, a simple restart of both your iPhone and Apple Watch can often resolve minor glitches. It is also wise to check your Jio account to confirm there are no active data or cellular plan limitations affecting your service. During the initial setup, ensure your Apple Watch remains within close proximity to your iPhone. For any persistent connectivity problems, do not hesitate to contact Jio customer support for personalized assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.